Welcome to Mannequin Monday. Today we will be recreating the style that I've done on Ariana from a while back. So let's get started. I have the hair parted straight down the middle. The bottom half is in two ponytails. And at the top, my left section is clipped out of the way for now. And now on the right side, we're going to spray some water to keep the hair nice and smooth. Brush it out. And now we will make a diagonal part line, so the new section will represent a triangle. Brush it out and tie it with an elastic. Create the same part line on the left side and tie it, the new section with an elastic. Now I'm going back with a comb and making another part line going parallel to the one that you just made, and it's about an inch wide. I'm clipping the rest of the hair out of the way, brush out the new section. Take a small section of the hair and split it to 3 equal strands, and we will cross right strand under the middle, left strand under the middle, right strand under the middle, pick up extra hair, add it to your left strand and cross it under the middle, right strand under the middle. Then on the left strand, pick up extra hair, add to it and cross it under the middle, right strand under the middle, left strand, pick up extra hair, add it to that strand and cross it under the middle. I'm keeping my braid line on the part line. Continue picking up all the hair and then tie the braid with an elastic. Now on the other side, make the same part line, keeping about 1 inch width, and we will repeat the same braid that you just made. So pick a small section of the hair, split it to 3 equal strands, and put your left strand under the middle, right strand under the middle, left strand under the middle, right strand, pick up extra hair, add it to that strand and cross it under the middle, left strand under the middle, right strand, pick up extra hair, add it to that strand and cross it under the middle. Keep your braid laying on the part line, and once you've picked up all the hair, continue braiding until your braid is long enough to reach the ponytail and secure it with an elastic. Now brush out the remaining section of the hair, and we will take this hair and the braid and attach it together with the ponytail. I will crisscross the small ponytails, so take it from the right side and now attach it to the bottom ponytail with an elastic. And you could remove the small elastic from the braid since we no longer need it. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Combine your small ponytail from the left, the little braid and a big section of the hair. Combine them with the big ponytail at the bottom with an elastic. Take out the small elastic from the braid. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please give it thumbs up and subscribe. And we'll see you next Monday for another mannequin style.